Welcome to the Quantilope Academy. Whether you're a seasoned insights professional or just starting your market research journey, the Academy is your always-on resource for continuous growth and learning. The Academy offers a variety of free courses, each packed with engaging videos, interactive exercises, and real-world examples, all designed to inspire growth and empower you to make data-driven decisions. Explore basic market research best practices at your own pace. Become an expert on advanced methodologies like TURF and MaxDiff, and earn certificates to showcase your achievements on social media. Throughout each course, see how Quantilope puts these concepts into action, showcasing the power of the consumer intelligence platform to streamline your research and deliver actionable insights. With courses ranging from Quantilope Essentials to specialized deep dives like implicit methods and better brand health tracking, there's something for everyone. Learn from industry experts, take breaks whenever you want, and gain the skills you need to elevate your research game. Join the Quantilope Academy today and start your journey toward becoming a market research champion for your organization.